Hi everyone, this is Fatima. I just wanted to make this quick video to say thank you so much. You'll remember just a couple weeks ago, I sent out a survey that asked you, what you thought about me starting an accountability group, if it was something that you'd be interested in. First, we got a lot of really great responses, but I'm really making this video because I wanted to say thank you. Thank you for being the catalyst to help me create one of the things that was really important to me for 2017. So the mastermind group has actually launched. We're actually halfway full. And in large part, that is because when I asked like what you would want and what you would need, you responded and gave me really great information and feedback to help me serve you and do that better than I have in the past. So I'm really excited, and I wanted to say thank you so much for making this a reality. And also, in case you missed the webinar last week, I did do a teaching to help all of you kind of get set and get going with your 2017 goals. So I talked quite a bit about goal setting, accountability. I gave you some of my tips on how to do that. And so if you're interested in getting some of the highlights from that, just take a look at one of the videos that's just below. I actually share information about focus. I think that's one of the big things that people were asking is how do I get focused to get started? So one of the videos below just kind of zooms you into that portion of the teaching, so you can kind of fast forward in case you missed what we did last week. So that's my way to say thank you in case you didn't get some of that information on the webinar, and also to let you know that the group is still open. We are at half capacity, but there's still room in case you want to know, well, what does this mastermind look like and what does it mean to join and how would I do that? There's also some more information below, and super quick, but some information below to give you a little bit more about, what is the mastermind about. And I will say, I built this around what those 60 plus people said that you wanted for 2017. I really wanted to do something that didn't just work for me, but worked for you to help move you forward for the next year. So I'm already zooming on one of my goals because of your input. So thank you so much for being a catalyst to making sure that this mastermind group actually is going. I'd love to work with you in 2017 to make sure that yours not only gets started well, but also continues to move through well as you hit some of those struggle points or some of those challenges throughout your goal setting and goal implementation. So take a look at some of the quick tips below, and I'd love to work with you more in the future. Thanks so much for taking the survey and for letting me know how I could better help you.